What's the word? What's the word? What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day?
The word of the day is awesome. Awesome is an adjective that is used to describe something or someone that is extremely impressive, remarkable, or inspiring. Let's use it in a sentence. The first astronauts who made history in 1969 to become the first humans to step on the moon were super awesome. Well, boys and girls, this concludes the word of the day. Tune in next time, and don't forget to subscribe to receive instant notifications.